Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix a Google Pixel 10 Pro that won't turn on. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and connect it to a charger. This is very important, so now I'm gonna plug it in. And as you guys can see, soon we should see some kind of revival on our screen. We see the battery right here. And what are we gonna do is we're gonna long press our revive combo, which is just the power button. So as you guys can see, we're gonna hold the button, and soon after we see the Google logo, we should let go, and now the phone is turning back on. So as you guys can see, it should take a couple of seconds. It's not long. And what are we gonna do is we're gonna unlock it. If you have any other issues after turning it back on, what you guys want to do is simply update your software by going into settings and then scrolling down to system, software updates, and system update. I do have an update available. I just have to click on download and install, and it will be gone. It will do itself. And that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.